Breaking news, I've hit 20 subs. Alright, so, hi everybody. This is the 20 subscriber special. Alright, so, today we are going to be counting down the top 10 Jedi and Sith. Just my opinion, though. Alright, so, my favorite Jedi of all time is Luke Skywalker. Alright, it's just, I like his fighting style, I like everything about him, alright? Alright, now, my second favorite is Kit Fisto, obviously, because he's awesome. The one thing I would have liked him more if he would have had a different fighting style and had a blue lightsaber like Luke Skywalker. Now, my third favorite is Mace Windu, mainly because he is played by Samuel L. Jackson, perfect place in the Star Wars universe, purple lightsaber, awesome. And because I like this picture. Alright, coming in at number 4 is Aegon Kohler. You may be seeing a trend for my last video that I posted that had Kit Fisto, Mace Windu, Saesee Tiin, and Aegon Kohler in it. Well, just to let you know, Saesee Tiin is up next, okay? So, yeah. And I also like the Zabrak species. Alright, and here is Saesee Tiin. He is just awesome. I really like his horns that he has coming down from there. I think he's a pretty cool species, and so that's why he's coming in at number 5. Alright, now, coming in at number 6 is Obi-Wan Kenobi. He's a really well-rounded Jedi. He uses Form 3, another form that I like, so, you know, I'm all about forms. But Obi-Wan Kenobi, he is just so loyal to the Jedi Order that you have to like him in some way, shape, or form. Coming in at number 7 is Rey. She's just a really well-thought-out character, doesn't have a lot of background, and that is why I like her as a Jedi. Now, you may be thinking, what? Kylo Ren's not a Jedi. But he was a Jedi before he betrayed the Jedi Order. So, I really think, probably could have been he had a lot of potential to be a Jedi, but he chose the dark side instead. And that's why he's number 8 on this list. Now, you may be thinking, is this another Sith? No, this is Darth Revan. He was from the Old Republic before the Phantom Menace, and he was a Jedi before he turned to the dark side, and then he turned back to a Jedi, and then he was thinking about his past life and anger, and then he eventually just died. And that's why he's number 9 on this list. Alright, coming in at number 10 is Yoda. He is one of the oldest Jedi ever. I think he's one of the wisest, too, and I simply just like him. Alright, so that's all of the Jedi that I wanted to mention. Now here's the Sith. Right, so you're probably thinking, alright, this guy was a Sith at one point, so he's your favorite. Yes, he is. He's my favorite Sith of all time, Darth Revan. Coming in at number 2 is Palpatine, otherwise known as the Emperor. I like that he was loyal to the Sith and hated the Jedi. That's what a Sith should be. Alright, I also like of how he dueled Mace Windu. I wish that the speed was enhanced a bit. Copyright from last video. Coming in at number 3 is Darth Vader. I think that he did a really good job as Anakin and as Darth Vader, and I'm glad he turned back to the light in Return of the Jedi. Coming in at number 4 is Darth Maul. I think that his anger encourages him to beat Obi-Wan, and I think that's really cool about him because he's a Zabrak. I like that species. I like that he also has a double-bladed lightsaber. It's just everything about him is cool. Coming in at number 5 is Count Dooku, otherwise known as Darth Tyrannus. Alright, so Count Dooku, I'm just going to call him Darth Tyrannus from now on. He has that dueling hilt. He uses Form 2 Makashi. That hilt is curved. I just really like him. He used to be a Jedi. He trained Qui-Gon Jinn. He is amazing. Coming in at number 6 is, in fact, Kylo Ren. I know I mentioned him before, but I like him better as a Jedi than I do as a Sith. Alright, so that's why Darth Revan got ahead of him, so yeah. Alright, coming in at number 7 is Snoke, Kylo Ren's master. And I really think he's such a mysterious character that he's kind of hard not to wonder about. Alright, coming in at number 8 is Darth Nihilus. Darth Nihilus, he drained the energy from others for his own power, and eventually he just... So that is how he got his mask as a face and his cloak and everything. Alright? And then eventually he just exploded. Now, I don't know if number 9 counts, but hopefully it does because it's General Grievous. He is just so intimidating. He has those 4 arms. He killed so many Jedi, and I think he should be a Sith, just not with Force. So, you know. Alright, coming in at number 10 is Asajj Ventress. She was, well, I don't know if she counts as a Sith or not. She was more of an assassin, just like General Grievous, but she was basically the Padawan, not Padawan, but the Sith apprentice of Count Dooku. Breaking news! Trevor just finished his 20 subscriber special.